Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my client's hair and showing you guys. I'm just kidding, this is my sister, but you know, same thing. I'm going to be doing her hair. She wanted these goddess box braids, so that's what I'm going to do. First things first, I'm just blow drying her hair. I like to do it in 4 sections, same way I blow dry my hair, and I'm just making sure I'm being gentle and all that. Next, I'm going to start by going into parting her hair. This was important because I wanted the parts to be all like, you know, even and neat. I also wanted them to stay neat for a while, so she didn't have to do her hair for a while. And then here I'm letting her feel how big this section is because I didn't want them to be all types of different sizes or anything, and I wanted her to be happy with that. So yeah, she's feeling how big she wants it. She wanted them a little bigger, so I just go ahead and make the section bigger from this point. And then I'm also going to show you guys, because she wanted the hair a different length and I had to get a longer length and I just had to cut them down. But anyway, so I'm going to start by actually braiding, and first I take the section, I make sure I put gel only on the root. That's only the part that really needs it, so I make sure I gel down the root, make sure it's nice and neat. Once the section's nicely gelled down, I start by braiding it, like braiding it 2-3 times down. Once I have it braided 2-3 times down, I'm going to take the section of hair, it's not too big, and I'm just going to braid it down. I'm gonna link the hair I used down below. It was just any hair from the braiding supply, but it was in the color 33 because that's the color that matched her hair best. Then I'm just gonna gel, also like smooth the gel down as I braid down to make sure it doesn't start to cake up and all that. And then here I'm adding in the curly hair. I'm going to take one end with my hand, hold it down, and the other end I'm going to hold it so it doesn't get attached to the braid. And you'll see that. If you can't see it now, you'll see it again later.
In an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right at it, guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside, AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm just going to show you guys a different angle. I'm going to braid down again, braiding 2-3 times down to start the braid. Then I'm going to take the braiding hair and just braid it in normally underhand method. Make sure the hair is not too thick so the braid doesn't have like that thin and then thick look. Making sure the hair is pretty much the same length and braiding down that way.
See my heart turn crystal. I can't even find like I'll miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone.
And then I'm gonna add in the curly piece. I'm gonna just use the comb to hold the one side while I braid down the other side and make sure it's in there nice and secure. And I'm gonna show you guys how I like to braid in the bottom part.
Baby girl, you know me. I'm outside in it.
So I'm not going to braid all the way down. I'm going to stop like midway And then I'm gonna add in another piece of curly hair and braid that down and braid it into the hair. And you can see I'm just braiding it down where the hair is cut. You can see the curly hair will begin. And yeah, that's how I do it. Once her hair was all done, you know, you had to get the little end clip. These are the finished results. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.